My name is Lalita and I'm going to talk about superfloss. Superfloss is ideal for braces, white spaces, and dental bridges. Superfloss has three parts: stiffed end dental floss threader, spongy floss, and regular floss. So stiffed end threader eases the insertion under braces and bridges. Spongy floss clean between white gaps between the teeth, and regular floss allows to remove plaque below the gum line. So here is the example how to use superfloss between interproximal surfaces of your teeth with braces. At first, you would take 12 to 14 inches of floss and place the stiff end of the threader flosser between the gum line and a dental bridge. Then carefully pull until the floss comes between your teeth and your dental bridge.